Good morning dear students, we are see the chapter number 2, work and energy. Previous video, the last video is a example 4 solution. F is equal to 20 Newton and S is equal to minus 0.6 meter. Find out work is equal to question mark. Work is equal to force multiplied by displacement is equal to F multiplied by substitute value 20 Newton multiplied by minus 0.6 meter is equal to minus 12 Newton meter. W is equal to minus 12 Newton meter. Newton meter is equal to SI unit is 12 joules. W is equal to 12 joules is the example of 4. Next one is the energy. Next point is energy. Definition: energy, capacity to do work. Energy is the capacity to do work. Capacity to do work is a energy. Capacity to do work is energy. SI unit is joule and CGS unit is erg. There are types of energy. First, mechanical energy. Second, heat energy. Third, sound energy. Fourth one, solar energy. Fifth one, heat energy. Solar energy, heat energy, light energy. Sixth one, chemical energy. There are 6 types of energy is mechanical energy, heat energy, sound energy, solar energy and light energy, and also is a chemical energy. There are mechanical energy is divided. Mechanical energy are 2 types of energy. Namely first, kinetic energy and second one is potential energy. First upon kinetic energy. First, kinetic energy short form is KE. Definition: the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion is called short form kinetic energy. It is called a kinetic energy. The energy is possessed by the body is virtue of its motion is called energy. एनर्जी असेल तर काय होतं, कुठलाही ऑब्जेक्ट काय होतो, एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी काय होतो, मोशन होतो. त्याला काय म्हटलं आहे, कायनेटिक एनर्जी. फॉर्म्युला कायनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू हाफ मल्टिप्लाय बाय एम मल्टिप्लाय बाय व्ही स्क्वेअर. अनदर कायनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू हाफ एम व्ही स्क्वेअर इज द mv square. Next one is a kinetic energy. Next one is derive the expression for the kinetic energy. Derive the expression for kinetic energy. Most important point, derive the expression of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the most important question, is a 3 marks question. 3 marks question. Consider the body of mass is m, mass m, moving with uniform acceleration along a straight line, if u is a initial velocity and v is final velocity and s is displacement. S is a displacement. We have v square is equal to u square. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. 2as is a Newton's third law of motion. Or Newton's third kinematical equation is equal to s is equal to v square minus u square upon 2a is the displacement formula. Is s is equal to v square minus u square. S is equal to v square minus u square divided by 2a is the equation first. If the force the net acting on the body and W is the work done by the force W is equal to force multiplied by displacement. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. A is equal to G. W is equal to, this is the second equation. And this equation is a third. A is equal to G is the equation third. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. W is equal to mass into acceleration multiplied by s is equal to v square minus u square upon 2a. Next one, formula is equal to m into a multiply by p square minus u square upon 2a. A and a cancel, is equal to m multiply by p square minus u square upon 2 is equal to half m p square is a w. Since u is equal to 0, initial velocity is equal to 0, work is equal to energy, work is equal to energy, therefore kinetic energy is equal to half mv square is the formula is derived. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Next one is the example of kinetic energy. Example of kinetic energy. First example. First, a body of mass, a body of a mass, body of mass 1 kg has kinetic energy is equal to 2 joule. Find the velocity, find the velocity of the body, solution. Data is a mass, m is equal to 1 kg and kinetic energy is equal to 2 joules, and find out p is equal to question mark. Formula, kinetic energy is equal to half multiply by m p square. Substituting value half, kinetic energy is 2 joule multiply by 1 kg multiply by p square. 2 into 2 is equal to 1 into v square is a v square. 4 is equal to v square. Therefore velocity is equal to, velocity is 4 meter per second square is the answer. Velocity is equal to 4 meter per second square. Next, types, mechanical energy types is potential energy. Is a potential energy. Next point is a potential energy. Potential energy, short form is a P. Short form is a P. The energy stored in an object because of its specific state or position is potential energy. is a potential energy. ह्याच्यामध्ये काय म्हटलं, the energy stored in the object because of its specific state or a position is called a potential. ज्या वेळेला आपण साठवून ठेवलेली असतो, स्टोरेज. Brain is a potential energy. CPU is a potential energy. For example, formula is P is equal to mgh. M is the mass, G is the gravitation, and h is the height. For example, water stored in a stored on the top of the hill is the first example. Second example, a raised hammer. Raised to hammer. जेव्हा आपण हातोडी उचलतो ती म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी. थर्ड